Verondi, do me shakara. So don't do me yawa Verondi, Verondi.
So only girl now. Sa sweetie, sweetie, oh, say I go die for you. When the voice in Pacono Toyeno. And I'm a wa.
Miniwo.
This song is beautiful.
Thank you.
When your motivation is for him.
Not me or client so I may call OT region. And not sound be by me too. Oh, na wait, this is DH. Team recorded to Satan and Miss Yambi. Team recorded to so. Team do baby now. The love where I get also a DH. And can you not a D and I show ya notch?
I'm not today, I know what then do.
And
why I did. I'm not today that day.
Yeah, not if you are a video very
good. They say, come on. The love I get for you are not cheap. I said, come out on track. Why are they? Never not anyway.
When they manager needing.
Oh, I'm not chene.
I'm not your madam for.
I'm not we are sorry. Next time, your second song, I know in the ashes. This song is not for Anoche. And can back off for more than that. But you know, I'm going to say, and you'll be a Veronia Reno because Anoche is not a bad name.
Of course not.
A local name, I just say more do, but not for this song.
Yeah.
We know been the chance changing, and I say one who's not in you.
Yeah, I
know you're smart. This is all your inbuilt. Yeah. Because when I'm quite so cool, region now. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Inti, how are you coping so far? How has it been?
So far, I've been going for interviews and everything is going on well. Just hoping for the Ghanaians to recognize me as soon as possible. So I'm working hard.
Am I recognizing what be Jayana?
Debbie, I'm pushing.
You're pushing?
Yes.
And it's also because you are pushing, and yes, our person will recognize you. If you do pushing great music and quality content, why not?
Yes.
They better accept it. So as I say, one other person in your collaboration so far?
Jackie.
Hey, the songbird. And yes. A high view.
Blacko.
Hey, and all your barefoot.
Go killer. And a Kelvin boy so.
And a Kelvin boy so. Only La Russo so on you.
Pass your ball, Manila Russo.
Hey, why are you? Inti, how do you see yourself from the next? Midwifery, maybe 3 years.
4.
All right. Inti, how do you see yourself after midwifery?
As one of the greatest musicians in Ghana and in the world, and also as a midwife, building a clinic.
When you say midwifery, it's a whole,
it's
a whole career on its own.
Yes,
it comes with its own stress. And the music is also. Are you ready for that?
I'm ready.
When you say. Saying it is different from acting it.
I know, right?
Yes. And you can say, I'm ready. That time I never do that.
With God, all things are possible.
And okay. It's Black Sheriff, which one you want to say, and the voice. Ube here now, on management because I know my friend amount.
That's right.
To my missus saying,
Nenija.
What do you mean by no so about September or train kakra?
My friend training from the beginning.
I didn't know through.
I'm sure. But a curiosity, no. The Cabibia train not to my say. Me that answer so say my no one stopping me.
I still didn't come about one. You so by music industry in over 2 years. Next year, I 2 years. No, next year, I 1 year.
Next year, 1 year.
Over ball honey, and I'm the young boy. Oh, there we say, so she want to be one of the greatest.
There was some woman, no.
That tattoo, so I didn't tell.
Oh, bears a tune.
Maybe a customized Benzes. That's why I customize it. One who knew that.
Tattoo, dear Davy.
On trouble, didn't go on Oboso. A day. On penal.
Ojame.
I don't know. Any projects so far?
See them me share him say show be what December ya. Na me da so a na ma try me nyame to my.
So be no what that's December ya.
Me try me nyame to my.
Say what so pushy o, e bia na show be wo but na onna so. Nti what say one kasa pushy. Any
management be here I can want some.
Let's just say why you ready.
Them I ready.
Whatever comes.
Yes.
I know you determined.
Yeah, very.
Because say they will see we school o so my ya o tumi ma wo nyoma ba bontin oni eden.
Papa.
E ba na kwa mpasa ka be den.
Eh.
Ka be say traverse it.
There be.
Count trade them sleep.
Me ana me need that ho say me pass.
Me ti ase sa batan ka wan pass e.
Dia nka me san tro.
We kwa ko twa uti no. Anka be dey.
Dey.
But say ka be tro.
Me tro.
Ana
come at you.
Why are they social media handles?
Okay, so on Instagram I'm Ayel Musik. Ayel spelled as AYEL_ music na AK and you see and the music me AK on Facebook me AY space EL and on YouTube to AY space EL. You subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all social media handles.
Ayel nunya wen.
Ayel na ya Adwuma Adwuma. And I'm spelling as Ayel.
Adwuma
Adwuma. Most school now be after me Laylo.
Ada inti na we Laylo.
Ana
we are reserved.
Me so fame without face.
Oh wow, this is brilliant. And then I'm super say I'm power. And I know that drink.
If I say
Adwuma Laylo. You did it. The more SS na frame. Philly
you
my Philly Felicia Dixon. Just so you know what I say.
Okay.
It must be a creative.
Very creative.
So we just say, hey, Philly Dick, they don't know that with Felicia Dixon. That also was as I know be to trim and I didn't dare so dear so.
She
see me the man they never nyat my favorite so she by me. She was a name. They
oh, okay, smart.
So what I say. Into boyfriend so as a similar way.
Ni boy.
That question will come at Jabby Sour show because we'll be about you being her boy. Mom, you will be an old day.
Any boy.
I did ya.
What's this here?
See, I focus. I focus. I feel what you need in a high on 95.1 minute. Ayel Musik. Ayel Musik. She said, "You more. They'll tell you about what's in the voice. No, baby, da. I hope you've come to stay.
Come to stay.
And a trendy biana don't want Jim. You could do one time near fan trendy. Yes, sir.
Pacho Davi.
Okay, we full pow.
Oh, yes.
None musician who are what was I say. Could do my time by retaliating in front of Quanum.
Fool.
So,
I was sad.
I'm the promotinum. In 2 bonus my 7 of a promotino.
Oh, Quampana.
Quampana, Quampano.
Oh.
Ayel Musik, Onua Russo on this one.
Today I'm in a bowl, baby. I'm in a bowl.
Ayel.
Yes.
Final words for new listeners. We have to what your voice, what your name was only more that into you.
Okay, and ya no me adofo no ma mutie me.
Hey, that's obviously about money. Hey. It's you.
And ya no me adofo no ma mutie me. Eye mo amodoba anamunya. Ayel Musik.
Hey, yo, what's up, person? Please vote for me on short code 723. Hey, yo. Ada fatu Janet you.
Send your more money no. Minimum na wa bonting. Iti keep streaming. And na mo afi na mo tie me for no. Pamucho monko follow me on all media handles. And minimum no so boom play or baby auntie. Just type Ayel Musik. Ebeba pass your ball featuring Laruso and Ayawa so na ya oda. Na weti amame. Me do mo nyina me da mo asese mo tie me.
Yeah, the BBR Society Ayel_music. Ayel Musik. And you see AAK. A hassle Ayel on 95.1 FM. Adwuma Adwuma.